To start creating your new value proposition, simply click the big pink Create Your Project button and then type in a few pieces of information that will help the software store your project correctly. Tell the software the name of the project and the business unit, along with an elevator pitch and a thumbnail image. You can then tell the software who in the team can view it and who can edit it. The first screen you'll see is a familiar 6-block grid. At the top of each block in the right corner is a comments icon, which allows a coach to leave suggestions and comments on how to improve your value proposition. There's also a documents icon where you can upload relevant documents, such as a market research analysis in your insight box or a SWOT analysis in your alternatives box. Now we're ready to start filling in our 6-block grid. Simply click in any of the boxes and we'll move to the typing area. In this display, we can see instructions on what needs to go in each box. There's a video tutorial which will allow us to watch an entire video with instructions on how to fill in the box effectively. Start typing and make sure that you save as soon as you finish. To the right of the typing area is the familiar blue and pink 6-block value proposition icon. You can navigate around by clicking on Target, Benefit, Alternatives, for example. Don't worry if you've forgotten to save when you try to navigate away. The software will remind you. Once you've finished typing your value proposition into the 6 blocks, you can export the whole thing as a handy one-page PDF by simply clicking the export button at the top of the page. You'll find the PDF has been downloaded to your computer. That's not all. Once you've finished typing in your value proposition, simply scroll down the page and you can export it as a communication brief. So you have a creative brief for your advertising or communication agency. There's also a button to export your value proposition as a complete discussion guide for an interview or focus group with your customer. Managing your projects is easy as well. Simply click on the Projects button at the top of the page at any time and you will see a total list of the projects that you own or the projects that you have been given editing or visibility rights to by other members of your team. A unique aspect of the Proposition Engine software is the ability to click on the VP Tree button at the top of the page and see a visualization of the entire organization. On this view, you will be able to see where every single value proposition is within the organization, and assuming you own the project or have visibility or editing rights, simply click on it on the visual tree and you'll jump into that project and be able to see the value proposition.